video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server, do it fixing and set up the properly. This video focus only how to create Discord channel and rules setup. Not what will be used in Skype by the English net, not my native language. My mistake. First of all, go Discord and see your left side and click the add plus icon add server. They have few template. I go and I create my own server. Then skip. I choose the name and I choose the date. X game. I select profile. I choose this one. Okay. Then let's try in the some server basic channel, but I delete all channel and category. Okay, first delete all channel. Okay, first of all, click your server name, go settings and go rules. This rules section, first create rules name. First I create a rules high level rules like admin, like OW and R tick mark, this one color. Okay, permission. On power is all check mark, but authority of all mark. Okay, now save change. And second rule, admin. Sorry, admin is blue yellow color. Check your option. Okay, admin is all time click at view channel, send message, invite, name change. You need to answer like this. I send message. I created 3 roles by the way. Then you get to want like 3, 4, 5 roles create here. You need like a member like player green color, pick 2 mark. Okay, player and this, member rules is view channel only. View channel, send message, import link, create file, attach file, then connect speak, video, soundboard. You need to use add a soundboard. Use the external sound, use voice effect, activity, all of them. Then you create first category, not channel, category. I create announcement like sorry. Announcement. Okay, announcement. Then right click announcement name, edit category, everyone view, chat off, create third off, off, ping off. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 option off. Then add player, only player view by node message, right? Only view channel or send message. Then again, so 5 rolls up. Okay, then admin on select SM. I select admin. View channel, send message, like admin like announce. Okay. Set. So same time you add the admin. Okay. Create set. Okay. Create text. I first else your email welcome. Create. Okay. Whether you add rules announcement automatically add in the channel. Okay. Automatic add. Okay. Now create one. Announcements section will complete. Create a category again. General, general CHH. Great. And then again same way, permission. Distribute channel. Say send message, send thought, send thought, public thought create, private thought create, link, attachment up. Okay. Add only player. So add the admin bounds, but I have set down only player. View channel, only send message, create thought, shop, to on. Okay. Link, that's fine. On. So then create a general server. I chat, say chat, GLO, global chat game. Okay. Edit channel, automatically add the roles. Create media section, media. Okay. Create content, content. Okay. These two channel, I'll go setting this channel. First media, I guess. Media. Enable to one, but this one off. You need simple. Okay. Content like a center YouTube channel, like embed link of, but sorry, embed link or attach log. Okay. This channel only sends photo or my media file, only send link file like YouTube link, Insta link. Then channel voice channel. Now before I see voyage. Okay. Same permission. View if you want to add player, go to down, connect, speak, audio, sound, channel, activity on. KYC evoice, Set it that. Good one. GM game free anime time. Okay, the server is almost done. I get some template. You need to on the go my this server and check Discord template. Right, this is mostly template I share. You go and pick up your own template. I set up step by step. Same way I fix this server by the like this video. That's it. Now you know how to create a setup a Discord server. Well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and